Electroconvulsive therapy is especially useful in resistant depression. Which drug is contraindicated with cheese, tryptophan-rich food? MAO inhibitors. Seasonal affective disorder responds well to light therapy. The black box warning for antidepressants in young patients is risk of suicide. Atypical depression is characterized by hypersomnia and hyperphagia. Which antidepressant also helps in smoking cessation? Bupropion. Which electrolyte imbalance may cause depressive symptoms? Hyponatremia. Which is not a biological feature of depression? Increased libido. Double depression means dysthymia with major depression. Which drug is a serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor? Short from SNRI. Answer: venlafaxine. Which symptom is more common in elderly depression? Somatic complaints. Psychotic depression requires antipsychotic plus antidepressant. Which antidepressant is safest in cardiac patients? Fluoxetine. Which physical symptom is common in masked depression? Headache, diarrhea, abdominal pain, all of the above. Answer: which hormone is often increased in depression? Cortisol.